Hello? Let me show you how to update your credit card information on your Twigby Mobile account. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Twigby Mobile account and click on Make Payment. Here you will see what cards are already on your account. To add a new card, click Manage Payment Methods. At the bottom of this page, you will see your current primary payment method. Once you have entered your new card's information, click Save Card. Here you will see your new card added to your account. To make this new card your primary, click Manage Payment Methods. Scroll to the bottom of this page and simply click Make Primary to make this card your new primary payment method. If you have a card that is expired, especially if it shares the same number, click Remove. That's how to update your credit card and primary payment method on your account.